So I would like to introduce Dr. Antonina Ihde. She needs no introduction. She has been with us since yesterday. She finished her postgraduate research education at the Researchers Training Institute of National Academy of Sciences of Belarus. Since 2010, Dr. Antonina Ihde supports the research and publications of the International Implant Foundation and is an international lecturer and teacher. Currently, she serves the International Implant Foundation as Head of Dental Implant Faculty. We will now go on to her speech.
Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today I would like to talk about the bridge frame design on strategic implant. And excuse me, is this? Okay, now I see. Thank you. And before we start talking about the frame, I would like to give some small introduction to the prosthetic work on strategic implants. So for cemented bridges, we have two types of implant abutments, and all prosthetic parts also have two sizes for the small and big abutment. Correspondingly, there are small and big transfers for impression taking, and small and big analogs. On this picture, you can see how precisely the transfer they give the position of the implant margin. These prosthetic parts have to be used in order to make precise work and the work of dentist technician easy. Bend out caps. So when we start with the taking impressions right after the operation, we put transfers on implant abutments and connect them with the light curing composite. Impression is being taken with a closed tray, and it's not allowed to use flow silicone because it's very big danger that the flow silicone can go under the flaps or into the extraction sockets and create infection. So we always use putty or polyether or asilicone medium consistency material. For the bite registration, we use technique which is very similar to the one used for the removable dentures for taking the bite. So we create two occlusal rims for the upper jaw occlusal rim, lower jaw, and then we connect them with each other with a fast-setting silicone. Here you can see this type of the rim for the one of the jaws, for the upper jaw. Inside this occlusal rim, we place transfers. This gives us the information about the position of the implant margin. These impressions are being taken with a flat spoon, impression spoon, and then both impressions are adjusted in shape and they are placed into the mouth. Then the planes of each occlusal rim is being corrected, adjusted to each other, and after all corrections are being done and the height of the bite is verified, these two occlusal rims are connected to each other. Due to the fact that we use transfers, dentist technician can very easily see and position this bite on the model, on the models, and put the models properly in articulator. Here you can see this bite just before it's completely down and when it fits properly.